Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpair any Bluetooth devices from your Amazon Kindle Touch 11. To do this, we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Inside, select Wi-Fi and Bluetooth devices. Now you will see all of the devices that are connected with this switch next to it. That means they are connected, like my headphones right here. We can click on them and then select forget or disconnect. If you choose forget, then you will need to repair them to your Kindle. If you choose to disconnect, they will basically disconnect from your device. I'm gonna go with forget, and now they are gone from the Bluetooth list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.